Welcome to JZGraphics. In this video, I will tell you 15 Illustrator things that everyone should know. And it will gonna save you a lot of time. So, let's get it started. Select one shape, and click on Start Global Edit. And this will make changes on all the same shapes. You can minimize or maximize its size. Round its corners and click Alt key. These are two overlapping squares. Select them, go to Object menu, Intertwine and Make. Then drag over an area where the shapes intersect to intertwine them both. Oh, this makes the terrible line. Double-click on the pencil tool and you can drag this slider to the right if you'd like smoother curves. Draw the curve again and you can see it is much smoother. You can apply a stroke to a group without affecting each individual object. For that, open Appearance panel and add the stroke. Then place it below the contents layer. Oh, this did not apply the color to stroke. For that, hold Shift key, and click on Desired Color. If you paste text, this will change the format. To skipping this, use the shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus V. If you minimize its size, this will change the stroke weight. For correcting this, double-click on Scale tool. Check mark both boxes, hit OK. When using the knife tool to cut, you might try clicking and dragging while holding Shift, but it won't cut in a straight line. The solution is to hold Alt plus Shift while dragging, which allows the tool to cut in a straight line. And you can shape into individual pieces. Select your artwork, go to the Edit menu, Edit Colors, and then Recolor Artwork. And you can recolor your entire artwork in just one click. Click on this icon and you can quickly draw inside of an object. Select Text, Fill to None. Open Appearance panel. Add New Fill, and add Gradient Color. And now you have editable gradient text. as these are the unpainted objects and empty text paths. Go to the Object menu, Path, then click on the Cleanup option. If you double-click on the anchor point, you can customize how the corner is beveled. To copy appearance effects from one text to another, open Layers panel, select the layer with the effects. Hold Alt key and drag one circle onto the other. This will copy all the appearance effects to the new text. If your artwork extends beyond the bounds of the artboard, go to View and select Trim View to see a trimmed preview of the artwork. And it's done. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.